Came for rise to riches, and the Biden of beauty, and then done. Am I live? Am I live? Guys, I'm live. Oh my god! Wait, let me look at it for one. Oh, sorry, I thought it was my. Let me look at it. Oh, you parrot, chill, parrot, chill, parrot, parrot, chill. Hold on, guys. No, 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 no. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Picky, picky, heavy, heavy. Picky, picky, heavy, heavy. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ready, ready. Itty, kiki, heavy, heavy. Switch account all within the shop. I want to take it to the places I want. What you want? You want me? But you want me? Ready, itty, kiki, heavy, heavy. Switch account all. All right. What's up, you? Also, man, it's finally time, bruh. Bro, I've never streamed since I've never streamed. No, I've streamed before, but when I first started, but like, I stopped streaming. Then I'm like, fuck it, I need to start streaming because now I have good network and I'll be stable now. No, whatever you call it. Let me cancel. And today I'm learning PHP. I'm still learning PHP arrays. I will finish on today. They said learning PHP is going to take you years. It's going to do this. It's going to do that. I'm like, what? Me? Do you know who I am? Do you know what I can do? So I'm like, flipping. I started last night. So today I'm continuing learning. No, I'm not learning. I'm slashing PHP. I know most of you would think, who are you? I'm telling you right now, I'm him, bro. Don't owes me, put some respect on my fucking name, bro. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to you, bro. So this PHP create arrays. I know how to create arrays in PHP. Why? How do you create arrays? You use the array function. Yes, I said it. I did not even look. I don't know if it was you you've been looking at. Guy, focus. So to create an array, this is how you create an array, I guess. Then you can use bracket to make it shorter. Why didn't they just use brackets? Does that make sense? Why didn't they just use bracket? Why do they have to use the array function? Or is there a reason they are using array function? If there's a reason, they should let us know, bro. Because while learning this shit, we don't know where it started from. We are just learning. We're learning. The comma of the last item is allowed. Array keys are like, in normal creating arrays in programming that I know of, they automatically, no, in JavaScript that I know of, it automatically comes with an index, right? So these array keys, you can specify the index itself. But wait, let me try something. I know you can specify the index itself, right? But what I've not tried is, does the numbers have to be, what's the word for it? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Does it have to be like that? How slow is this stream? W's! Ewo! Well, alright guys. So if I name this 9, then I name this 5, then I run it. Okay. Then I run it. Would it work? Oh, wow. What? String 5 words, 3 words. Okay, this is the word. So basically, they're saying it to work. So is that a good thing? Is that a good thing or not? I don't know. I can't tell. But shout out to you for telling. I got the bags. Mark Zuckerberg, my friend. What did I do? My stream is not receiving enough, whatever it's called. Ah. So I don't know, madam. Anything, 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 anything. Changina, da didi, da didi, da didi, da didi. Where is it? Just I'm trying to oh, I guess it's working now. It's excellent. It's excellent right now. Can't wait. It's excellent right now. So let me continue, bro. So it said, so it doesn't matter the order at which does w- when using index key in PHP, does it matter to for the index to be in order? Yeah, I just thought about that right now. I'm so smart. It does not matter for the index key to be in specific order. If you're only interested in it, the order becomes critical if you plan to iterate through the. I don't like reading horizons. But they said you can do it, but if you want to iterate, what does iterate mean? Iterate. I don't know. Well, I'm learning though. So as you can see in index. Okay. So let me tell you about associated arrays. Associated arrays, they use name, key, and value. Yeah, you will learn about it soon because I'm not here to fucking teach you about all of this. Declare empty array, then you can add an array to it. I said it, I've done this one before. So, time to access arrays. Aren't you going to use loop? I'm guessing it will be loop. You can refer to the index for index arrays and the key name for associative. Is it associative? Have you associative arrays? Which is it? Kenika momini kemika memika bakende petetepe. Kai kai yene fende me kai kai. Kai kai sweet for body. Kai kai puka puka. Puta miku isi kai kai. Alright guys. So let me continue. So this is how you get it. I don't know. I know this one, so that's what I'm not bothering. We. You can use both double and triple quotes when accessing an array. Execute a function item. See, you know, PHP is the server-side programming language. I don't know if you know that. So it being a server-side programming language, you have to. It's not like HTML and CSS. Like I don't know if you're getting my point. It's not like HTML and CSS. When you're learning HTML and CSS, you are writing. You don't have to think about functionalities like there's p paragraph there, there is this one, there is this styling, there is this word there. But PHP, I've never coded anything PHP, but so far I've been like learning PHP. It will break you. It was only yesterday. Like let me show you something. I've learned all these. It was yesterday when it got to function, then I started like I just sat like then I was like, wait to PHP now for backend though. Backend like mad, bro. And I've gone this far. I need to be writing down, honestly. Honestly, I need to write it. Let me get a book. So is my stream okay? I don't know. Is it okay? Kenika no bene, kenika no bene. Kain kain yene fe ne me kain kain. Kain kain good for body. Kain kain chuka. Kain kain yene fe ne me kain kain. Yene come up with memo. Yene kene prometi kain kain. Cha. Ibo kwenu. Che. Ibo kwenu. Alright, time to continue writing because this is my life and I want to build stuff so I can write. So execute a function item. What does this mean? Array items can be of any data type. Array function can be of any data type. So what does that mean? It basically means I don't know. Wait. What's an array function? No. Array items can be of any data types. Array from data type. That's interesting. To execute a function, such a function, use the index number following the parentheses. Guys, as we all know, nobody knows though, but I have big issues with this word. I have very big issue with this word because parentheses is called parentheses, right? But parents is called parents. This is the same word by the way, you know. It's the same word by the way. So why they know they call them together? Like why the names they different? Why is the pronunciation different? See, see, this is your parent. This is your parent. I'll, wait, let me show you something. Parent. See, I've even said for it before. Parent, listen.
Parent.
Parent. This is your parent. This is your parent. No, parent. Oh, your OneDrive is full, so new photos aren't backed up. OneDrive is fucking bullshit, bro. I'm deleting that thing. I'm deleting it from my phone. I don't know why I kept it in my phone. No wonder it's full in my laptop also. So let me see what's this about. So there's a function here called my function, and they're echoing I come from a function. Yeah, nigga, you did come from a function, dumbass. So my array, unique and abin- so so how would they know if it's a function? Let me see what they're even trying to do. Wow. So how do you know that this is a function? Because basically it's inside a string. I don't know if you understand me. It's inside a string. It's inside the string. So how do they know? How do they know that it's coming from an actual function? That's so cool, bro. That's so cool. What is this? What are they trying to do here? Number two is a function. Okay. I got it. So after they put this variable like this, like they assign this array to this variable called my R. Then they specified this one, which is number two, because in arrays, the first one is usually zero, then the second one is one, then the next is two. So then they added parentheses to let you know this is a function. Bro, this is so fucking cool, bro. That's cool. Normally, I would say that's bullshit, but I can't do it, so it's cool. I can't wait to start actually coding with PHP. I heard it's going to be tough, but I'm stung my way too, you know? I see. So you did this one followed by a parent, okay. The key name when function. Oh god. I'm not sleeping. Use the key name when the function is an item in a associative array. When the function is an item. Let me see what they're talking about. Execute function by referring to key name. So this is a function, right? Then they have message by function. Okay. The newspapers look on us. They are basically talking about the same thing, because it's the same thing, right? They are just letting you know that you can use associative arrays to put this inside the function instead of using. So better. Kang yele fele make kang buka good for body kang put on make push make it feel the make kang. My stream is still good. I don't know. Let me check. Select stream. What does this mean? Slashing PHP is better than if you don't see stream. Try refreshing. Oh wow, man! How long have I been live for? Ah, this thing they say is very low. Oh, is high now. Oh wow. It's high now. What is this? Surrounded by some millionaires. Ooh, and I know I'ma be on when I wake up. Feel like I can be a trillionaire. Alright, guys, let's continue slashing PHP fucking arrays, bro. I don't know what to do about it, but like, fuck it, bro. You know what I'm saying, bro? I wanna take it to the places that you never know. I wanna I wanna you know, loop to an associative arrays. I hate loops. I hate loops, honestly. It's just so I just don't like loops, I guess. I just don't like it. So this is the associative array for each car. You see? You see why I hate loops? I hate loops because I understand loops. No, understand. I don't know if I hate loops, but I don't just like loops. In JavaScript, I hated loops when I was learning JavaScript, so I did not understand it that time. But now I know it. So this for each, you're saying this is the car, right? This car. You're saying put this car as this variable, then this key, and this is the value. So you're saying echo this key and the value. So if I'm to press that right now, it should come up by itself. Yeah. So that's it basically. Loops is actually easy. If you think about it, if you think about it, loops is actually easy. I don't have data plan. I don't know what they're talking about. To look through and print all the values of an index array, use the for each loop. Okay. Can you kind of really can you kind of really can you? Can you never make can baba? Can go body? Let me play to you say it. But I don't like it just songs. Why? Why don't I like it just songs? Because I will start the song like this now to take hours after before they'll start. So what's it called? Kind kind. I mean, fuck that. It's actually an interesting song. I'm in the job well. So they say, I just forgot. I'm on the exercise. Stop shouting, Barry. I'm at the exercise. X, exercise. I'm at the exercise right now. I'm at the exercise section of the video, no, of the tutorial, and I'm about to make an exercise. So basically, an exercise. What am I gonna do about an exercise? So for the following array, okay, I see the array. What would be a correct syntax to access the second item, banana? That would be one. One. I'm correct. I'm always correct. Once it comes to PHP, I'm correct. But fuck, bro. Get bro. I did this shit. I did it myself, bro. Myself, bro. What are you talking about, fool? What's next? PHP access arrays. For the following array, uh, I'm talking about Dobby method. This is my fucking life. I can do whatever I want to do. Except for become naked because YouTube will ban my account because they have more control over me. But I'll change that soon. I'm going to rival YouTube, all these platforms, all these. I'll rival everything. Just watch and see. Just watch and see. It's just step by step and consistency will get me there. Shout out to you, bro. Okay. So what they tell him to do for the following array, cars equals, okay, what would be the correct now to return the year value? That would be year, yes, because it's an associative array. So what are they saying? They say loop. So for each as then this thing, what's that thing? This thing, this you are declaring, you are saying this is an associative array. Then they are saying key is x, then value is y. Then that should be correct, and that is that for the that. So shout out to you for watching this video. I know you think this is the end, but fuck you, bro. This is not the end of the video. So you are going to continue watching this video, to continue watching it, and you continue watching it. Update array items. Oh god, I don't tire. That's fun. See, this is the fun part of having a bed as your, what's it called, as your chair when you're making a video. If this was an actual chair, I would have gone, oh, then you still be seeing my face, but since this is the bed, I can go, you know. So, updates array items, bro. Updates array items, bro. Update array items, bro. My name is Freddy. I come from Freddy. I want to give you every day. Peace. Don't tell me that bullshit, bro. I tried this thing. HP laptops are so fucking weak. Like the battery, damn. So PHP update array items. So update an identity can refer to events and then the key name for associative array. Coding is trash, bro. If you're learning, it's trash. But if you're actually coding, damn, that feeling is sweet as hell, bro. So this is how you change it. To update in our associative array, this is how you change it. Update array in a for each loop. There are different techniques to use when changing items in a for each loop. One way is to insert the AND character in the assignment to assign the item value by reference and thereby making sure that, I don't know, that's a whole lot of trash word talk that they want to stress me about. Guys, next, add array items. How do you add an array item? Let's go. Young boy be dead. I didn't figure out this. I didn't end up writing. That's stupid of me. Um, add array items. So how do you add arrays items? In PHP, you can add array items with several different methods. Oh god, they want to kill me now. They want to kill me now. They want to kill me now. No, they don't want to kill me now. Like, I don't know, say something like that. But what I'm trying to say is, PHP is hard. It's bullshit. It's trash. It's rubbish. It's everything you want to do, but everything you don't do. Everybody do the good places don't go to do. I understand a pen do. I reckon a pen do. Oh god. Oh, I'm tired of streaming. I'm not tired of streaming. I just don't like where this is going. In PHP, you can add array item to several different methods. Add a single array in the end of an array. Add whatever to the end of the array. Add one or more items to the end of the array. Guys, I'm not in this video until I'm called away or I finish arrays. If I don't finish arrays, I'm not in this video. So focus. Arrays push, add one or more arrays to the end of the array. Add one or more items to the beginning. Oh, I can see the differences now. Splice, once the portion of array, replace it with new elements, merges Oh wow. So there are different types of adding arrays. That's good. Let me write that down. So the first one is brackets, using brackets. So the first one is using brackets. To add a single item array to the end of it, use the bracket. So so this one does, what is this one? Adds a single array to the end. No, a single item. A single item to the end of the array. I was so smart. I didn't know. Oh, that's so funny. Everybody laugh. Focus. Then how does this one work? To the end. Okay. So this is how it works. So your variable name, then you put this bracket something. I don't know. It's writing a ton of no. It's writing bad. Since you guys are not seeing what I'm writing, but in the end, it's mine, and I don't want anybody to see my handwriting because that shit is trash. So that's how the bracket one works. So how the bracket one works, you add the bracket to your normal array, then it will add to the end of the array just one single item though. Now let's see, you can call someone. Calm down. Perry, be yourself. You nigga, this is me being myself. The fact, yeah, you did get message me before. Hold on, let me check something. I want to do the best. Oh, I forgot I'm using some chats. And you could the boss man, and you could the boss man, sharp baker. I use the money to another thing. I not go feel buying again. I dey find money die. My sister see it there around. Yes, bro. I come yesterday. Yes, so bro. Yes, so bro. I come yesterday. Not like you come here thinking about like I came around yesterday. Mm, supply. Don't you love when I come around? Dun, dun, dun.
Nice PS5. How much is it? What? I'll take it. Oh, thank you. It must be very expensive. I didn't spend a dime. I got.
Guys, my view is zero. What did happen now? How long do I have to continue doing this before my view will start increasing? I need my views to increase because I'm trying to build an audience, so I forgot to charge my laptop. Timothy McConnell here. I want to go places. I like Panakwana here. I share the cases. Go the bossman and you go with the bossman. Chapinko. And you go with the bossman. Timothy naked husband. Alright, that's what's next. So you can of course add more array items to the end of an existing array with the brackets as but you have to add one by one. Okay, okay, I see. Let me write that down. This is the end. In very soon I'll stop using all these HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Not entirely, but I mean I'll stop coding with them and I'll be coding stuff like C#, all those high level. No, people call them low level programming language, but for me they are high level because that shit is hard. Um, you can only add one by one. So notes. Ẹnu kúrò the buzzbin, ẹnu kúrò the buzzbin, champagne cup. enukuwe the bossman. Tima baba here. Okay, associative array to add items to the end of an associative array, use the bracket for the key and assign the value with I don't understand. Okay, I got it now. Okay. So I assume the you can only add one using the bracket, right? You can only add one. Same way you can with in associative arrays, you can only add one. Same way you can also only add one in the other type of arrays. So let me see. Array push function. Yeah, I'm going to draw it tomorrow. The array push function is used to add one or more items to the end of an existing array. What does this mean? The array push function is used to add one or more. Okay. If you think about something, if you think about something, in the end, you're not thinking about the thing. You're not thinking. What am I saying? My advice is basically just don't give a fuck about it. Don't think about it. Just do. You know? Just do, nigga. How many times do you want me to tell you? Should I code in pigeon? Who else has well? Ooh. I just had an idea for something that will change the world of how everybody sees the world. English to pidgin website. Oh my god. Pidginator. Okay, bro. Who the fuck created Pidginator? Ooh, let's try it. Lingo Jam Pidginator. So let's say English goes here. How are you doing today? How you doing today? What the fuck is this, bro? Is this how normal Nigeria speak English? I'm throwing in sentence from Nigeria PG Baba and doesn't know most word. I need a translator way do better than my Oyibo. Finally, I feel right. What do you want to talk? What the fuck? I needed the translator way do better than my Oyibo. Finally, I fit read wetin I wrote. What? Is it this translator don't help me? Guys, these are fucking bots. They're fucking bots, bro. They're bots. Oh yeah, 2026. Okay, straight, update it. Y'all are bots. Okay, I need login and I don't want to login. Yo, Papa, are you okay? Are you okay? You do okay? Guy, this is trash. But should have whoever created it, but for me, it's trash. Let's look at their website. A website where you can create your own translator. No sign up needed. Yeah. I made it. But that's a good idea though. A pidgin translator. So for white or people abroad that don't know Nigerian English, it can help them. This is used to add one or more array items to the end of an existing array. Enukuwe the buzzband, champagne call. One, two, array, push, push, used to add one or more array items to the end of an existing array. Okay. What's the syntax like? Array, then underscore push, variable name, variable comma. Okay. Item, comma, item two, comma, then close it, then shout out to you, bro. So this is basically going to add it to the end of the array. Sharp. Add multiple items to associative arrays. Guys, I'm tired. I do the 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 tired. I'm getting tired, bro. How long have I been streaming from? What's this? Shut up. Shut up. The array on shift function is used to add one normal array to the beginning of an existing array. So push is from so push is end of the array. On shift is beginning of the array. Okay, I got it now. Then splice used to remove a portion of an array and replace it with new items. If you specify an offset, okay, and a length of 0, nothing to remove, you can insert an item without vision. Okay, let me see. Insert a new array at index 1 of the fruit array. This is index 1, by the way. So new fruits, this is another variable, by the way. Orange, right? What's the offset? What's the meaning of offset? I know offset as a offset. I know offset as a have you? I know offset as a musician, offset musician. Yeah. So basically, let's find out the meaning of his offset. Counterbalancing, compensating, or displacing elements. So guys, we all know the meaning of offset. Wait, I can actually musician. What? Yeah. Include pause, include pause, ben champagne pom, include pause, ben tima finally ako pause ben. An offset is a counterbalancing compensating of displacing elements. Psst, psst, psst. I don't understand. Let me try and understand this. You said used to remove a portion of an array and replace it with new items. If you specify an element on the way to 0 to nothing to 1, you can insert an item in that position. Insert a new array item, this one of the fruit away. Array splice. Let me see how it comes. No, I don't want. Okay. So this is the first array. This is the first array. Then this is the new array. This is the new variable that's created, and they want to assign this variable to inside this array. Can there be an array inside an array? So array splice. No. Dangerous. Make a bounce sneakers. I'm not saying anything right now because my mind is not focused. I'm actually thinking of what to do next. Guys, I think I'm going to end this broadcast. I will continue the remaining of my own. So, how do I start ending my videos now? Do I want to talk about anything? That's it. First stream, done and Dogsted. Posting, I don't know, I'm going to be posting it. What else do I want to talk about? Coding is boring if you're learning, but if you know what you're doing, it's actually kind of cool. I love girls. I'm a very educative. I don't know what the word to use for it, but shout out to you. Good energy is vibe. Good energy is live in the moment, bro. I have zero concurrent views, zero chat rates. Views is one. I think that's me watching myself. I don't know. So views is one, guy. Views is one, and I'm coming to an end of my first stream. And if you actually like the stream, just fucking comment or something. I don't know. Just do something about it, and I will make the world. I don't know how to make the world, but I'll make my life adventurous. That's my low key my dream. And shout out to you for watching this video. Take a photo, take a photo, take a photo. Boom. That's how I'll be ending my videos. Boom. Wow. Wow. I can't believe this. I can't believe this. I said Akupum. OBS is still giving me. So three, no, 3, 2, 1.